Why did you want to be involved in the People's Pavilion?
I really wanted to get hands-on experience in sort of experiencing a real build experience. Wait, pause. I really wanted to have the opportunity to build something real and tangible.
I wanted experience with like architecture and engineering to see which one suited me better, and I think I got that.
Every year that we're involved in a project like this, I think what's amazing is the kind of confidence that gives the young people and also the confidence that they arrive with. I think when people kind of show up and they really want to be involved, for us that's really motivating.
When I joined this, I didn't expect it to be this creative.
I think it was a very good experience, just being able to see everyone come together.
And why did you want to get involved with the People's Pavilion?
We were really excited to work with Beyond the Box and work on the People's Pavilion, partially because we'd seen the previous years and how successful they were and how genuinely engaging they had been for the wider community and young people's participants.
I saw the post from Beyond the Box very randomly on social media, and I was really interested. I wanted to be part of like a build project for a very long time, and I thought that was like the perfect opportunity when I saw it.
What surprised you most about the process?
My favourite part about working with Beyond the Box is actually encouraging young people to design, hearing what they say, learning from them.
Having to avoid problems before they even come, and how like we had to build around issues that didn't exist yet, and like it's helped me become more open-minded.
I feel like it gave me a sense of purpose, like we're actually part of something, like we don't usually get this type of opportunity than anyone else.
I would say the fact that I met other people my age that were also interested in architecture.
What surprised me the most about the project was the commitment and enthusiasm of the young people, not only during the co-design phase, but particularly during the build phase, where we built on-site for 2 weeks, hands-on in the rain, really labouring hard.
The thing I enjoyed most about building the pavilion is probably the hands-on experience that we got during the build. Whether it was painting, making the arches for the roof.
The most surprising thing was actually standing there and being able to create ideas with a group of 30 people, and even step back and as a facilitator let them take lead in the workshop was really great, as they were such an enthusiastic bunch. They really carried forward the whole process.
I think I enjoyed, one, getting hands-on and actually building the structure, but also networking and meeting people from industry and just speaking to students who are looking to get into architecture as well.
The experience of being part of a build project, like getting your hands on something and really making it happen, and I think the enjoyability comes at the end when it's like you see really come together.
You can make a difference, if you kind of show up, get involved in initiatives like this, that you really can help shape the built environment. And that's why we started Scale Rule, and that's why Neil does all he does with Beyond the Box, is to show young people that they really do have power.
Why do you choose to work with Beyond the Box and People's Pavilion 2025, and what does that mean for Pavilion Morris Gallery?
We had this space at the front of the gallery which is very rarely activated, and so we're looking for things to bring the sort of front of the gallery to life. It felt like a really natural kind of partnership. Doing something with young people in our 75th anniversary is really important, because when William Morris was living here, he was sort of between 14 and 18 years old, making decisions about the future, about his life, choosing careers. So actually the most relevant thing we can do here is to work with young people who are at that sort of same point in time in their own lives. So for us it felt like a really good fit.